here, and today I have a video I am so excited for. I have not bought a brand new piece of Liz Lisa in a very long time. The last time I did, I made a video about it. I don't even remember what year that was, but I did do it. And since then, I have resisted the urge to buy brand new Liz Lisa. I really try to only buy secondhand, but I can't lie, some of y'all scalpers are really making this difficult. And then you have the really good, well-made knockoffs. And I don't really want to buy the knockoffs, and I don't really want to buy the scalpers. So on rare occasions, I do go and buy brand new pieces, and that's what I have today. In this box, I have 3 Liz Lisa items. I really did my best to pick 3 items that I could see myself wearing on a day-to-day basis, items that I thought would be pretty versatile, and that I could see myself styling in a lot of ways. Sorry, I'm like twisting over my words. But especially one of these items has been something I've been trying to find a good, like, you'll see. But before we get into the unboxing video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And I am planning to use these items in some sort of lookbook. I don't know if that will be out before or after this video, but there will be some sort of cute J fashion lookbook coming soon because I've been collecting a lot of pieces in my wardrobe, and I'm not gonna lie, most of them are more like fall, wintry pieces. So it kind of, that's usually when I wear the most of my J fashion. So let me just get into this. Here are my 3 items. They're here. You probably can tell what they are. They're 3 pretty popular items, I would say, amongst Liz Lisa fans, especially with Jirai K and, I'm gonna butcher the pronunciation, Ryo Sangata fashion. They're 2 pretty popular fashion styles, and I unintentionally do wear things that kind of fit those styles. And so I've seen a lot of girlies wearing these pieces, and I've wanted to get them for myself. And I've tried to get them secondhand, but they're way too expensive secondhand, which is crazy. So let's get into it. As I will be unboxing these pieces, I will insert a photo of the listing. If you're looking to buy brand new Liz Lisa, I recommend using Tokyo Kawaii Life. That's the site I've always used to buy brand new pieces. And they have really good shipping, really fast shipping, at least for me in the US. So that's what I will be showing from. I don't know which piece to start with. I think let's start with this. This piece I feel like is iconic. I feel like everyone that wears Liz Lisa has this skirt. So I had to finally get it. Oh my God, stop. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God. This is adorable. I believe, gosh, I should actually look at the names of these things. But I will again insert the listing thing so you can see what the item is. I love this skirt already. It is adorable. I love the high-waisted detailing. I love the buckles and the little heart charm. The back is even cuter with the lace-up detail. Oh my gosh. And I love this like muted purpley pink color. A lot of pieces that I like are this color, so I think that I can wear this with a lot of different things. Oh my God. And the trim at the bottom with the little hearts and the little lace, like look at that. It also has elastication on the sides and a zipper. So let me check out the zipper. Okay, it did, oh, and it has a hook and eye. Oh, leave it to Liz Lisa to make quality pieces. It's beautifully lined. Oh my God, it's stunning. I probably will try my best to not have to unzip it fully every time I put it on. But I always see people wear this with like sweaters tucked in and it looks adorable. This is so, or like a blouse tucked in would be so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's just so many things I could wear. Wait, there's another, there's 2 buckle hearts. It's just the first one was stuck. Okay. It's adorable. It feels insanely nice quality. The material is super thick. This is definitely more like a fall winter sort of skirt. Does it? And it has built-in shorts. There's 3 layers. So there's the shorts layer, the first layer of skirt and then the upper layer of the skirt. This is very thick. Definitely would consider this a fall winter piece. I would not wear this in the summer. This feels like it would be way too hot, but it's adorable and I love it. I now will insert the try-on clip of this piece. After each piece, I will insert a try-on. This next piece was a later addition to my cart because I have been searching for a white ruffled skirt and I just haven't liked any of them. Either I get them and they're cream and not white, or they're not flattering. And so when I saw this one on the website, I was like, I need this to be the lace skirt of my dreams. So let's hope it is. So I will insert the listing right here so you can see what it looks like, but oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh my god. So it has these cute little, wait, it has like a, oh, I didn't notice this originally. So it has this really cute front detail with like the extra waistband and the little charms. It is white, which is what I wanted. I was worried it would be cream because I always see people wear like a white skirt and like either a sweater over it or like a big t-shirt over it, and I just think it looks really cute, but I've not found a white ruffled skirt that I've liked. Oh my god, and then you can tie these up to make a bow in the back. The back is fully elastic. The lace is beautiful. It's super frilly. It has so many little details in the lining. Does this have shorts? Okay, this one does not have shorts built in. And then it comes with another bow you can clip onto the front as well. I think this is adorable. I'm really excited to try this on with a bunch of my pieces because I think this will finally achieve the look I have wanted of a little frilly ruffle skirt. Because apparently those are really hard to find for some reason. I've just not liked a single one I've gotten. The last piece I got, I feel like this came out years ago, and I've always been like hesitant to get it, but I always see people styling it really cute, and therefore I've always wanted to get it, so I think this is finally the time that I've gotten it. And it is this item right here. I feel like everyone has seen this sweater somewhere. And I know I should not be buying more sweaters, but I do plan to do an intense decluttering because I did not declutter enough when I moved. But here is, oh my god, it's so soft. It's this adorable, like, kind of off the shoulder, but it's not really off the shoulder because it has like a shirt to hold it up underneath. And it is absolutely adorable. It's like this mohair, like fluffy material, so it might kind of shed on things, but it's just so cute. And I like that it cinches at the waist. It's really nice feeling. I love it. I love this color. I wear a lot of this color, okay? So I thought this with like a black skirt and black boots would be so cute in the fall and winter. I want to wear this outfit a million times. I know I'm gonna wear it a million times. I'm super excited to try this on. All right, those are all three of the pieces that I got, and I tried to like pick something from my wardrobe to wear with it so I could like at least show you things that kind of go together. I am in love with all three pieces. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Honestly, having those three pieces, I feel like there's a lot of clothing that I can get rid of that doesn't really appeal to me as much as that. I'm really going to try, again, I don't know the order of operations of my videos for the next few months, but I'm planning to do a big declutter because I feel like I'm holding on to a lot of pieces that I just don't wear and don't really like. And I feel way more confident in J fashion and being all like frilly and dressed up. It just feels more me. Whenever I wear something that's like a t-shirt and shorts, I just feel so not me that like I feel like I can't keep as many of those things around because it's just not good for me anymore. As I said in the beginning, I bought all these items off Tokyo Kawaii Life, and I definitely recommend them for brand new Liz Lisa. I don't know if there's other alternatives for shopping brand new Liz Lisa outside of Japan. I don't really know if there's other sites you can use, so that's mainly what I stick with. And I will say all of these items are like a one size or like a size 0 in Liz Lisa, which it fits me. I'm about like a US small to medium, so I don't necessarily think I would recommend these pieces if you are, I would say, bigger than a size 6. I will say if you're looking for this style of clothes, the brand Dear My Love is a way more size inclusive brand, and I've been meaning to check them out as well because I've been very curious. Because again, I'm liking this style. I'm enjoying being way more like high femme, frilly. I feel better that way. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know which piece was your favorite. If there's any J fashion brands you want me to check out, let me know in the comments because I'm always looking for new brands to try. Also, let me know if you want some sort of like cute like styling lookbook sort of thing. I definitely want to post like more like outfits over on TikTok as well. So if you would like to see more short form content as well, I have my TikTok and my Instagram both linked in the description. And yep, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!